Incredible bedroom and space-saving furniture for small spaces. Living in small space can be frustrating, especially if you're lacking storage space. But don't worry, space-saving furniture is on the rise these days, as crowded city slickers, rural tiny home occupants, and other humble abode dwellers understand the significance of using square footage optimally. So, if you're on a mission to get organized and redecorate your tiny home this season, you can just start by investing in space-saving furniture pieces that'll make even the smallest rooms feel triple the size. To help you find the perfect picks, we've curated a list of some stylish and useful choices that will make all the difference. These pieces allow you to live in comfort and style without compromising on quality. So, stay tuned and don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with UBLS TV Lift. This underbed TV lift is a spectacular mechanism that hides a flat screen beneath the bed and swivels while in the open position to allow for numerous viewing angles, eliminating the need for cabinetry at the foot of the bed. Compact and sleek, it's designed for TVs 32 to 55 inches in size and offers an alternative to traditional flat screen TV lifts. Thanks to its pop-up layout that adds a unique dimension to a room's interior. It has a silent, motorized flap that opens before the screen is revealed and shuts once it's concealed with a neat finish. That's nice! Let's now discuss Breaking the Box, a solo exhibition featuring new work by artist and designer Sebastian ErraZuriz. This show curated some modular furniture that doubles as interactive art, i.e. ErraZuriz cabinets, credenzas, and boxes come together through a combination of traditional woodworking techniques and advanced technology, allowing the components to rotate, spin, and evolve into new forms that always surprise, challenging people's perceptions of how they operate based on cultural norms. The pieces appear to be simple at first, but viewers are encouraged to discover the unusual ways they open and expand by interacting with them, thereby breaking the box of convention. Cool! Moving on towards our next smart entry, Ori Pocket Closet. It's the walk-in closet you've always desired but lacked the space for. The first ever standalone walk-in closet instantly multiplies storage capacity in almost any space. Thanks to its modern design, smooth operation, and effortless control, the Ori Pocket Closet expands to expose substantial storage when you need it in just 20 seconds, then contracts to give back your living space. Can also serve as a space-saving media wall, along with a hinged-down multi-purpose table, plus built-in power outlets and USB ports. In short, it's more storage with less footprint. Truly smart. Let's now shed some light on Beam It Up, a smart storage system. Rising prices per unit area and changing family patterns create pressure on the use of living space in small homes in big cities. So, there needs to take advantage of space in new and smarter ways. Beam It Up is an innovative concept that creates new storage options in small and narrow spaces, like hallways and corridors. Let me explain a bit. It's a clever and practical storage solution buried beneath the ceiling to keep clutter under control, and fits into practically any compact area with parallel walls. You can choose from a variety of storage modules that are all compatible and mounted under the ceiling to a convenient access height, allowing you to have more space when you need it. Great, isn't it? Hope you've enjoyed the video up till now, so do like it and subscribe to our channel as well. Let's check out another fabulous entry, MESA Open Up. How about upgrading your surroundings and making your party space more sophisticated? You can enjoy this makeover by using MESA Open Up, a folding table by a Portuguese firm, produced in 100% scratch-resistant 15mm textured MDF with an electrostatic paint finish that guarantees quality and durability, even in coastal regions. So now you can remove your space with style, quality, and functionality. Great! Time to discuss ECLETTICA, the ideal concept of a spiral staircase for every style and trend, both in modern and traditional architecture. This technology optimizes the spaces, allowing for maximum exploitation of the volumes, can adapt to varied ceiling heights thanks to a vertical adjustment system. It's an extremely versatile staircase where a variety of decor can be applied, and the steps can serve as storage compartments, bookcases, shoe racks, etc. Moreover, the staircase is installed in the building completely done due to its finishing features. Quite ingenious. Let's now have a look at a wall bed by Spaceman. Traditional beds take up a lot of room, and that space gets exclusively bound just for sleeping. But the furniture of bed is here, and now you can fold the beds away during the day to completely utilize the space with Spaceman wall beds, often known as hidden beds or Murphy beds. It also keeps dust and grime from accumulating beneath your bed, making cleaning a breeze. Spaceman, specialized in space-saving furniture, offers the widest range of customization to complement their wall beds that may be adjusted to fit a variety of settings by getting them paired with sofas, desks, shelves, or even a TV console. Cool! Last amazing entry on our list today is Flexible Love Stretching Chair by Expand Furnitures. It's a bit embarrassing when a crowd of friends descends on your doorstep and you don't have enough chairs to seat them all. However, if you have a Flexible Love chair, you won't have anything to worry about, as it can be stretched and folded into a variety of shapes and lengths, resulting in surprising sturdiness. You just have to simply pull each end to modify its length and shape, much like an accordion. It's hard to imagine a chair with this much adaptation and flexibility. It's almost entirely composed of a honeycomb-structured recycled cardboard. An amazing idea from Cheese Chu, a young Taiwanese designer. The moniker, Flexible Love, comes from the concept of a flexible love seat, which can accommodate up to 16 people by changing its shape and length. Wow! Well, that's it for today, guys. Which of these smart furniture pieces do you like the most? Do share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to keep watching more of such amazing and crazy stuff. Signing off now. Take care, friends. Goodbye.